What if I told you that you could eliminate the most painful part of migrating from Tableau into Power BI? Every BI developer who has done a Tableau migration knows the real challenge isn't creating the visuals. It's understanding hundreds of calculated fields and rewriting every Tableau formula into DAX. That process alone can take days. So, I built a tool to exactly solve that problem. Welcome back to BI Artillery, where we build AI-powered solutions for business intelligence. Today, I'm giving you an exclusive look at a tool I built that analyzes Tableau workbooks, extracts all calculated fields, converts them into equivalent DAX expressions, map dependencies, and dramatically accelerates Tableau to Power BI conversions. Once the DAX is ready, all that's left is recreating that same visuals into Power BI. Now let's jump onto my laptop and see how it works. So guys, here is the Tableau to Power BI converter tool which I had made. So this is how it looks. Now first we are gonna go and browse our Tableau file which we want to convert into a Power BI report. So here it is. So once you select your file, just you click on load files and it loads the Tableau files. Now in the file overview tab, you're gonna see the Tableau workbook, how many calculated fields it has inside, how many worksheets and how many dashboards are there inside the Tableau dashboard. So here is a list of the data source which is there in this Tableau dashboard along with the total number of fields or columns. Now in your second tab is the formula converter, which converts a Tableau formula into a Power BI DAX expression version. Now whatever Tableau formula you need to convert, you're going to paste your Tableau formula here, and when you convert it, it's going to convert it to the equivalent DAX expression. Now in the third tab, you have a calculated field columns. Now all these calculated fields are there in this Tableau workbook. Here you can see the data source related to that particular field, and here is the Tableau formula where you can see each of the Tableau calculated fields. Now you see a blank DAX expression column here, but as soon as you convert all these Tableau formulas would be converted into equivalent DAX expressions. So here it is. So if you can check, all of these formulas have converted to equivalent DAX expressions. It does 70% of your work if you want to convert a Tableau workbook into a Power BI report. In the fourth tab, you have this field dependencies. So if you click on analyze dependencies, it would show you that which of the calculated field in Tableau is dependent on another field. So here it is. So in this Tableau dashboards, there are few fields which are dependent on the other. Now the fifth tab is a function reference. So this is kind of a library, I would say, and it has most of the Tableau functions, which has a equivalent DAX function as well on this tab. Now you can actually slice it by category. So if you click on dates, you get the date functions in Tableau and their equivalent date functions in DAX. If you select math, these are the Tableau expressions, while these are the equivalent DAX expression. Now, if you click on LOD, which is level of detail, these are the Tableau functions and these are the equivalent DAX expressions. Now, the sixth tab is a data type where we see that which data type relates to the Power BI type in terms of data type. Now, this tab actually shows you which Tableau data type is relevant to the Power BI data type. So for example, if in Tableau it is string, but in Power BI it is text. Now, if you go on to the seventh tab, it's the LOD expressions. Now it has a small library of LOD expressions in Tableau. So if you select any one of the LOD expressions and if you convert this, it's going to convert your equivalent DAX expressions of that same Tableau LOD formula. So from schema check, DAX comparison, data values and best practices, it all works after you have converted a Tableau file into a Power BI file, and then you can compare both the files and check if there are any issues. The most important feature of this tool would be this tab, which is calculated fields, where You can get all the calculated fields which are there in Tableau already converted into a relevant DAX expression. Now, all you have to do is just create these measures using AI or manually, and then just replicate the relevant visuals in Power BI. And that's my Tableau to Power BI converter. Instead of spending days trying to understand Tableau calculations and manually rewriting them into DAX expressions, this tool automates that entire process. It extracts calculated fields, convert them into equivalent DAX expression, analyzes dependencies, map functions and data types, and provides validation utilities to make migration significantly faster. From there, you simply recreate the visuals in Power BI using the generated DAX. This is still version 1, and I'm already working on making the conversion engine even smarter with AI. So, if you work with Tableau or Power BI, I'd love to know what features you'd add next. Drop your suggestions in the comment section. Yes, if this project impressed you, hit like, subscribe to BI Artillery, and share this with every BI developer who's ever had to migrate a Tableau report. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.